feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Buzzing noises in stand mixers often come from a loose worm gear or motor issues. To stop the buzz fast, unplug the mixer and ensure the attachment hub and beaters are securely locked. Tighten any loose parts. If it keeps buzzing, apply food-safe grease to the gears. Regular maintenance not only stops noise, but also keeps your mixer running smoothly.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.